Hello. Okay, hopefully you can hear me now. Okay, so we are here for grade 10 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter measurement. And the lessons we're going to cover today are convert rates and measurements, customary unit, convert rates and measurements metric units, convert square and cubic units of length and precision. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is convert rates and measurements customary units, right? So let's just start with the first example. We have to convert from inches to yards. You are given 72 inches. You have to convert it into yards. So how do you convert? Okay, let's just see what are the customary units and what are the metric units, right? So, okay, the metric unit uses, you can note down the definition, right? The metric unit uses units such as grams and kilograms to discuss weight, right? That is the so the customary unit is older system that uses ounces and pounds to talk about weight, right? So the metric unit is the new one and the customary unit is the old one, right? The customary units are feet, yards, miles, pounds, tons. They are the customary units, right? Okay, so we're going to the first example is you have to convert from inches to yards. So how do you convert from inches to yard? You have 72 inches, you have to convert it into yards. How do you convert? So we have to write a conversion factor to convert from inches to yard, right? So that would be 1 inch equal 1 yard equal 36 inches, right? In 1 yard you have 36 inches, right? So that means you have to divide, because you need to convert 72 inches to yards, so you need to divide 72 by 36, right? So 36 times 2 is 72, so that means 72 inches equal 2 yards. The correct option is 2, right? So 72 inches equals 2 yards. Okay, let's just start with the lesson. Let's just start with the test questions, right? Okay, the first one is 82 inches to feet. You have to convert 84 inches to feet, right? So first we're going to see how many inches are there in 1 feet, right? So 1 feet equal, how many inches are there in 1 feet? Okay, let me just, 84 inches equal So in 1 feet you have 12 inches, right? You need to see 84 inches equal how many feet, so you need to divide 84 by 12. So 12 times 7 is 84. That means 84 inches equal 7 feet. The correct option is 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is 7 gallons equal how many pints? So you have to convert from gallons to pints, right? So in 1 pint you have 8 gallons. You have to convert from gallons to pint. 1 gallon equal 8 pints, right? So here you are given 7 gallons. You need to see in 7 gallons how many pints do you have. So 7 gallons equal 7 times 8. 7 times 8 equals 56 pints. So that means 7 gallons equal 56 pints. The correct option is 56. Got it? Okay, 46 feet equal how many inches? You have to convert from feet to inch. So we know that in 1 feet you have in 12 inches, right? So 46 feet equal how many inches? You're going to convert from feet to inch, right? So you have to multiply 46 times 12, right? So 46 times 12 equal, the correct option is 552 inches. 46 feet equal 552 inches. The correct option is 552. Okay, 46 pints equal how many fluid ounces? You have to convert from pint to fluid ounces. So 1 pint equal 1 pint equals 16 fluid ounces, right? So you have to do 48 times 16 because you are going to convert from pints to fluid ounces, and 1 pint equal 16 fluid ounces. So you need to do 16 times 48. So the correct option is, the correct option is 768 fluid ounces. 48 pints equal 768 fluid ounces. 80 ounces equal how many pounds? In 1 pound you have 16 ounces. 1 pound equal 16 ounces. So you have to divide 80 by 16, so that equals 5 pounds. So that means 80 ounces equal 5 pounds. So the correct option is 5. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is convert rates and measurements metric units. Okay, so let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, 1000 milligrams equal how many grams? The correct option is 1000 milligrams equal 1 gram. The correct option is 1 grams. 1000 millimeters equal how many meters? Which is the correct option? 1000 millimeters equal. The correct option is 1 meter. The next one is 863 kilograms equal how many grams? 1 gram equal, in 1 kilogram you have 1 height. So you are going to convert from kilograms to grams. So you need to multiply 863 by 1000. So the correct option is 863,000. 863 kilograms equal 863 thousands. The correct option is 863 thousands. 308 centiliters equal, in 1 centiliter we have 10 millimeters. 1 centiliter equal 10 milliliters. So 308 centiliter equal 308 times 10. So the correct option is 3080 milliliters. The correct option is 3080, right? The correct option is 3080 milliliters. Okay, the next one is 961 liter equal how many milliliters? The correct option is in 1 liter you have 1000 milliliters, right? So that would be 961,000 milliliters. 558 centimeters equal how many millimeters? In 1 centimeter you have 10 millimeters, right? So 584 centimeters equal, yes, that is 5840 millimeters. 1000 grams equal how many kilograms? The correct option is 1 kilogram. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is convert square and cubic units of length. Okay, convert how many square centimeter equal 1 square meter. Okay, 1 square meter, right? That means it is 1 meter square, right? You have to convert it into square centimeter. So in 1 meter you have, let's just do it in a simple way. Okay, 1 meter square meter equal 1 square meter equal 1 square. How many square centimeters? So basically, you look at this one. Here you have conversion from meter to centimeter, right? We know that 1 meter equal 100 centimeters, right? Here you have square. You can write 1 meter square like this. So you're going to convert from 1 meter to centimeter. So that 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. So 1 meter equal, because that is square centimeter, so it would be 100 square centimeter. So that is 100,000 centimeter square, right? That is 110,000 centimeter square, right? Not 100,000. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, 1 cubic centimeter, how many cubic centimeter equal? The question is how many cubic centimeter equal 1000 cubic millimeters, right? So here you have 1000 cubic centimeter. Millimeter, you are going to convert from millimeter to centimeter. So 1 millimeter equal 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter equal 1 centimeter equal 10 millimeter, right? Here you have cubic millimeters, right? So you have 1000 cubic millimeter. You need to see that is 1000 cubic millimeters. 1000 cubic millimeter, it looks like this. You have to calculate how much centimeter it is. So 1000 is a cube of, that would be 10 cube millimeter, right? So that that means that is 10 centimeter, 10 cubic centimeter, right? 1000 is the cube of 10, so that would be 10 cubic centimeter. The correct option is 10. 1. Hold on. Okay, you have to divide because you're converting from millimeters to centimeters, right? You have to divide them by the 10. So when you divide, that would be 1 centimeter, right? Okay, the next one is 1 cubic yard equal how many feet? Which is the correct option? How many cubic feet? Which is the correct option? The correct option is that would be 27. In 1 yard, you have 27 feet, right? So 1 cubic yard equal, it would be like this. You have, it is 1 cubic yard, right? So in 1 yard, you have 1 yard equal 3 feet. So you have to do 1 cubic yard equal 3 feet divided by 1 yard. 3 feet divided by 1 and 3 feet divided by 1 yard, right? So that would be 1, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27 over 1. So that equals 27 cubic feet cubic, right? The correct option is 27. So the correct option is 27, right? One square meter equal how many square centimeters? Which is the correct option? Very good. The correct option is 10,000 square centimeter equal 1 square meter. 1 square centimeter equal how many square millimeters? The correct option is 100 square millimeters. The correct option is 100. 9 square feet equal how many square yards? The correct option is 1 square yard, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is precision. Let's just start with the next lesson. Which measurement is more precise? 53 hours and or 68 week. So the value that is measured to the smaller units is more precise, right? One of them is measured in an year and one of them is in hour. So hour is a smaller unit than a year. So that means 53 hours is more precise. Got it? Let's just start with the test practice questions. Okay. Which measurement is more precise? 84.35 years or 18 years? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 84.35 because that is measured to the hundredth of the year, right? That would be 84.35 year. The one that has the more decimal places is the more precise. So 84.35 years is more precise. Which measurement is more precise, 27.01 millimeter or 77.8 millimeter? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 27.01 millimeter is the correct option because that is measured to the hundredth of the millimeter, right? Which measurement is more precise, 12 meter or 23 centimeter? Which is the correct option? You have one of them is 12 meter and the other one is in centimeter, right? So centimeter is smaller unit than the meter. So that would be the one that is in smaller meter is the smaller unit is the more precise. So the correct option is 23 centimeter. That would be more precise, right? Okay, which measurement is more precise? 96.05 days or 97.1 days? Which is the correct option? correct option is 96.05 days, right? Because that is measured to the hundredth of the days. So that would be the correct option. The correct option is 96.05 days. Which measurement is more precise? 6 centiliter or 34 milliliter? So which is the correct option? The correct option is the correct option is 34 milliliters, right? Milliliters is a smaller unit than centiliter. So the correct option is 34 milliliters. Which measurement is more precise, 43 inches or 7 miles? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 43 inches. Which measurement is more precise, 92.07 kilometer or 63 kilometer? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 92.07 kilometer, right? Because that is measured to the hundredth of the kilometer, so it would be 92.07 kilometer. Which measurement is more precise, 72 yards or 4 feet? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 feet. Which measurement is more precise, 75 days, 31 or 31 minutes? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 31 minutes because minutes is smaller unit than days. Which measurement is more precise, 53 hours or 68 years? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 53 hours, right? Because hours is smaller than the year. So the correct option is 53 hours. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 10 math. The chapter we're working on is measurement, and the lessons we have covered today are convert rates and measurements customary unit, convert rates and measurement metric unit, convert square and cubic units of length and precision. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any question, you can please ask. If you have any question, you can please ask. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.